Welcome to Merlin Lakescape. What are its project offerings, unit plans, location, price growth and builder analysis? Let's find out in this exclusive video by 99 Acres. Spread across 4.16 acres, this project is offering 1, 2 and 3 BHK homes. Phase 1 that is currently under construction is expected to be completed by June 2027. Home buyers can look forward to 6 stars with 12 floors each, offering 552 homes. Merlin Lakespace has a linear layout with homes spread out along a long strip with a driveway on either side for easy access. Residents get ample privacy given the arrangements of the units. आप नजर डालते हैं on the sizes and the prices of these apartments. 1 BHK homes come with a built-up area of 401 square feet. These offer bed plus bath, living, kitchen and study. In 2 BHK homes, sizes range from 532 to 559 square feet. Each one offers 2 beds plus baths, living and kitchen. In 3 BHK, sizes range from 677 to 747 square feet. They offer living cum dining, 3 beds plus 2 baths, kitchen and private terrace with minor variations. The important thing to note is pretty much all units are offering sizable open terraces, and these differ not just depending on the unit type, the block and positioning of the apartment, but also the floor. For example, the first floor units in Rio block come with terraces running all around the unit. Now let's look at the amenities being offered. Special zones have been created for senior citizens and children. For wellness and relaxation, there are meditation and yoga decks and ample greens. For recreation and entertainment, there is a clubhouse offering ample amenities. Noteworthy is the rooftop half basketball court, swimming pool and mini theatre. Special emphasis has been laid on sustainability and security with key features like water softener, sewage treatment plants, rainwater harvesting, 24/7 power backup and water supply. Now let's shift focus to the location and its price appreciation. Merlin Lakespace in Newtown is located at the heart of Rajarhat, the budding IT township in Kolkata, making it a sought-after destination for home buyers. As per the price trend section on 99 Acres, both the project and its locality have witnessed double-digit price appreciation in the last 1 year. Newtown is strategically located close to Biswa Bangla Sarani Road, which merges into Rajarhat Road, connecting it to other localities of East Kolkata, like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport and Garya Kamal Ghazi. Residents have the option to travel via railways through the Bidanagar railway station, and the nearest metro station is ECO Park Metro, located at a distance of just 200 meters. It is close to various commercial hubs, hospitals, educational institutions and entertainment zones, shopping malls and IT parks. In comparison to other premium projects such as Bengal, Shapoorji, Sukhubrishti and Elita Garden Vista in the vicinity, Merlin Lakescape is witnessing more aggressive price growth. Newtown has been rated 4.3 out of 5 by residents in the locality review section of 99 Acres. Good public transport, availability of schools and safety is keeping residents happy here. Although some peak points include no parking zones, illegal construction in some parts and waterlogging issues. Let's also take a look at the payment plan available for the buyers. The project offers an easy payment plan where buyers have to pay 10% at the time of application, 10% within 15 days of agreement, 70% is spread across the construction timeline, and the remaining 10% is to be paid at the time of possession. Moving on to the builder now. Merlin Projects Limited, which was established in 1984, has an extensive portfolio ranging from residential and commercial complexes to office buildings and townships. Merlin has over 50 residential and commercial projects, a total of 20 million square feet of real estate development across Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Raipur, Pune, Chennai and Colombo. They have also developed independent bungalows. They are now moving into contemporary shopping malls, resort, industrial estate and clubs. And with a 500-acre land bank across the country, there's a lot on the cards. Some of Merlin's earlier projects have seen some fantastic price growth since the time of their launch. Merlin The One and Merlin Berg, located in the same area, for example, have witnessed 8.8% and 23.8% growth respectively in the last 1 year. For more details on Merlin Lakescape, click on the link below.